When your AC stops working, just call the experts at KS Services Heating and Air. They're fast and affordable. Right now, purchase any Bryant energy efficient system and save with 0% interest for 60 months with approved credit. It comes included with a 5-year labor warranty. And our fair price guarantee means that we will always give you 3 quotes for every situation. A good, better, and best. Call KS Services Heating and Air today. We roll on, whatever it takes.
It's the Weather Extreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Monday, the 9th of October. I'm James Spann. We stay very muggy through tomorrow with occasional showers. Drier air later this week, and a new tropical storm is on the board. Here we go, water vapor satellite view. Very high amplitude pattern. We've seen this look for a while. Big trough in the west. It's cold, snowy in many places. We have a warm ridge here in the east, and a very moist air mass left behind by Nate. That was the radar at 2:37. Number of showers and a few thunderstorms across the central part of the state. Moving north, we'll see occasional showers and thunderstorms through tomorrow. Temperatures mostly low, maybe mid-80s in spots, but look up in the Tennessee Valley, upper 80s for Huntsville and the Shoals, where they've seen a bit of sunshine today. And the dew points are sky high. Air you can wear. You can feel that when you walk out the door. That is a pure tropical air mass left behind by Nate. And a huge contrast around the nation. Temperatures are barely above freezing in Denver, where we got some 80s and even 90s for parts of the southeast United States. And speaking of Denver, how about Coors Field? Lovely day for baseball, huh? How about that? They're under a winter storm warning. And on top of that, we have freeze warnings in effect all the way from parts of New Mexico to North Dakota and Minnesota as their growing season is ending there. And things are quiet across the east. We have a risk of severe storms on that surface front later today and tonight over parts of Kansas, Oklahoma, and North Texas. This is the rain for the next 7 days through Monday of next week, about 1/2 to 1 inch. And again, after tomorrow, things look fairly dry for a while. Tropics, we have a new storm on the board named Ophelia. It's in the central Atlantic, fairly high latitude. The rest of the Atlantic basin is quiet. Ophelia goes nowhere for a while, just sits around, finally kicks back out to the east. It is no threat to any landmass. So model fans, here we go. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock. The trough lifts out of the western states, but the ridge holds here. And again, a very soupy air mass. Showers and thunderstorms are likely. Not going to rain all day, but it certainly rains at times. Highs at or just over 80 in most spots, and the humidity will stay very high with dew points up in the 70s. Wednesday, we'll hang on to a chance of widely scattered showers, but clearly you can see a trend toward drier weather. I think a decent part of the day will be dry, very warm with mid-80s. And then Thursday, we get into the lower dew points. The sky will be mostly sunny. Still, we're going to be in the mid-80s, but the humidity way down. And nights will be cooler. This is Friday. We should start the day in the 50s Friday, but then we warm right back up into the mid-80s. So it's a day where it feels cool early in the morning, but a warm summer-like afternoon. And this is Saturday, and that looks like a dry day to kick off the weekend. The sky should be mostly sunny. We'll expect a high somewhere between 82 and 85. And Sunday, again, mostly sunny and warm with mid-80s likely. So for now, the weekend looking warm and dry. We'll go to Monday. We've still got ridging here across the deep south, the trough passing north of the state. A surface boundary tries to creep in here, and if indeed it can, that'll push highs back in the 70s by Monday. In fact, the latest GFS is suggesting a high of 77. This is the end of the forecast period. This is Thursday of next week, the 19th. A little trough passing through here. Looks like any rain with that should be to the south. That this verifies, and of course, this is 10 days out. This could change, and I'd say temperatures at that point should be pretty seasonal. The number is highs this week in the 80s, highs next week mostly in the 70s, where we should be for this time of the year. That's it for the Weather Extreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless.
AC broken? Just call KS Services Heating and Air. All Bryant energy efficient systems come with a 5-year labor warranty, and our fair price guarantee means that we'll always give you 3 quotes for every situation. Just call KS Services Heating and Air today.